Welcome to our comparison video where we take a closer look at two popular smartphone gimbals, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus and the COMITOK L7C Pro KIT. Both gimbals are designed to enhance your video recording experience, but they come with unique features that cater to different needs. In this video, we'll explore their specifications, usability, and performance to help you decide which one is the right fit for you. The Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus offers an ultra-wide-angle mode, allowing users to capture expansive scenes without distortion. It also features a 600 degrees inception mode for creative shots. In contrast, the COMITOK L7C Pro KIT boasts magnetic AI active tracking, making it ideal for vloggers and TikTokers who want to keep their subjects in focus effortlessly. Both gimbals provide unique functionalities that cater to different filming styles. The Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus is designed with user-friendly controls, making it accessible for beginners and experienced users alike. Its ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use. On the other hand, the COMITOK L7C Pro KIT features a foldable design, making it highly portable for on-the-go filming. This convenience is perfect for content creators who need to travel light without compromising on quality. In terms of stabilization performance, the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus excels in providing smooth footage even in dynamic settings, thanks to its advanced stabilization technology. Meanwhile, the COMITOK L7C Pro KIT offers dynamic tracking capabilities, ensuring that your subject remains in focus while you move around. Both gimbals deliver impressive performance, but the choice depends on your specific filming needs. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady Mobile Plus and the COMITOK L7C Pro KIT have their strengths and cater to different types of users. Whether you prioritize advanced features or portability, both gimbals are excellent choices for enhancing your smartphone videography. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.